I wake up at 6 a.m. I have a meeting on Monday. I live in Berlin. They arrive at the station. They play football on weekends. They stay in the same house. I will be at the airport at 7 a.m. I am busy on Friday. I was born in 1991. I go to bed at 10 p.m. The exam is on the 11th of March. They bought their car in 2021. The sun rises at 5 a.m. The webinar is on Tuesday. It snows in winter. Let's shop at the store. I saw it on TV. I'm sitting in the car. He is at office right now. She is on the phone. The keys are in my bag. We are at the bus stop. He is walking on the road. The files are in the drawer. We eat lunch at 1 p.m. He works out on weekdays. I drink coffee in the morning. I am at my computer right now. I am on a video call. I store all my documents in the cloud. She is good at cooking. I watched a tutorial on YouTube. We enrolled in an online programming course. The class starts at 10 a.m. The exhibition opens on Monday. The flowers bloom in the spring. She eats breakfast at 8 a.m. She will come on my birthday. She lives in Paris. We meet at the cafe. We will celebrate on my anniversary. We went swimming in the lake. He studies at noon. He will attend meeting on the 15th of January. He works in an office. I start work at 10 a.m. The picture hangs on the wall. I was born in March. They meet at the restaurant. The phone is on the table. They live in a house. The store closes at 9 p.m. I will call you on Monday morning. We visited in the winter. I am at the dentist. The shoes are on the rug. He works in an office. The train leaves at 6 p.m. I have English class on Thursday. In the morning, I like to exercise. I am at home today. The food is on the counter. She works in a healthcare. The movie starts at 9 p.m. We clean the house on weekends. She prefers to study in the library. I will meet you at 5 p.m. She likes to exercise on weekends. They moved here in 2020. The bus stops at the corner. I was born on 25th September. The event is happening in the evening. I study at the university. The keys are on the hook. She was born in 1995. He works at a bank. The remote is on the sofa. They went hiking in the mountains. The dog barked at the stranger. I left my bag on the bus. She is working on her laptop. He threw the ball at me. I saw her on the train. He is in a hurry right now. The meeting is at the conference hall. He exercises at the gym. They are traveling in the country. Let's practice some combined sentences using at, on, in. I saw her at the market on Sunday in the afternoon. We will meet at 5 p.m. on Friday in the office. The meeting will start at 9 a.m. on the 15th of March in the conference room. She was at the doctor's clinic on a rainy day in April. There is a photo on the wall in my living room. The event starts at 6 p.m. on Saturday in the main hall. He stayed at a hotel on his trip in Berlin. We sat on the table on the terrace in the evening. She works at the office on weekdays in the afternoon. We use at with time, on with date or day, in with years, months or seasons.